My name is Anand Vijay. Today in this video lecture we have revised the chapter 4, log on to animate CC. This is regarding important for your upcoming exam. So we make the revision process start with the fill in the blank section. Overall you can find out their solution also given, but we can make the revision also here. Okay, the first question from the fill in the blanks is animate a powerful dash software package developed by dash. So it is the animate is the powerful software regarding animation, and it is developed by the Adobe system. It is the company that developed it, the animation log on to animate CC software. So the first one is the animation and Adobe system is the right answer. The dash is the arrangement of various animate elements such as control panel, property inspector and the stage. That is called the workspace. When we click on to the animate CC, and after that the first screen will be shared with us, that is known as the workspace. It is the arrangement of all kinds of animate related tool. There the different options, control panel, property inspector, all things are the part of workspace. So option second, so workspace is the right answer for the second fill in the blanks question. The third one is the question is the dash is the large white space that is seen at the center of workspace, that is the stage. Stage is the large white space. By using stage we can draw the different kinds of drawings, animations. We provide the different kinds of background color, foreground color, and the different kinds of effect like a tint tuning, shape tuning, all the things. But it can be applicable where onto the stage. So stage is the right answer. The question 4, the gray area surrounded the stage is called walk area. Walk area is the actual area where we can perform the operation. We can draw the image, drawing, or different kinds of animated effects. The next one is the fifth, the dash is the area where one control the sequencing and timing of the movie. That is called timeline. The entire thing is called timeline. Basically, we can work onto the student on the drawing. It is defined onto the frame by frame, and we can adjust the particular frame. There are the number of dividing section that is managed by the timeline. We can arrange all the sequence of operation in the timeline format. So fifth is the timeline. The next one, dash are the like or transparent set stack on the top of one another is different image that appears on stage, that is called layers. Layers are the different kinds of transparent sheet which are stacked, that means attached with one by one. One by one it can be overlapping, and we can use the first layer, second layer, third layer, that's on. So option 6 is the layer is right answer. Now come on to the next section, that is the true false section. You can find out the shortcut key to import a picture is Control G, that is the false option. It is the false option. The second one is the radial gradient changes the color in the circular outward direction starting from the focal point. That is true because there are the two kinds of gradient. We can use the linear and radial. Radial gradient is it can focus onto the focal point in the inner part of the color in circular manner, and it can be outward direction. It can be moved towards outward direction. So option second is the true. The third one, in twinned animation, we can change the contents of every frame to create an animation. That is false. In twinned animation, we can divide, we can change the content, we can change the different segments of there, and content will be same. It not be changed, but the segment where we can apply the different kinds of color. The content is as it is. It not be changed in the twinned animation. So this option is the false. The next one, the tools section consists the tools that are used for drawing, painting and selecting the object. That is true. There are the various kinds of tools that are attached with the animation, and we can use as per desire. Whatever the tool we have required, as per desire we can use it onto the stage. The next one is fifth question, to select the multiple object using selection to hold the control key while clicking on the object. No, that we can use the shift key. By various selection, we can use the press the shift key instead of control key, and it provides the different kinds of multiple selections of the object. So this option is false. The next one, the default stage size is 550 multiplied by 400 pixels. That is true. The default size of the stage is 550 in the length format and 400 in the width format. Now come on to the MCQ format. Section B. You can find out there are the lots of questions. The first one is the what are the little rectangular cell that appears on the timeline is called, that is option A is correct, frames. It is called frames. The second one is the which one of the following is shortcut key is used to insert a frame, that is the F5. By using F5 we can insert a new frame. Okay, so option B is correct. The third one, which shortcut key do we use to display the document setting dialog box? That is the option B, Control J. By using Control J, we can adjust the document setting dialog box of any related animation. The next one, which panel act as the storehouse of symbols in Animate? That is the library. We can use the library as a storehouse. The next one is which shortcut key is used to play the animation in Animate? That is option C is correct, Control Enter. By using Control Enter, we can play the animation in Animate. The last one from the what is the file extension of Animate? That is .fla. When we save it, it automatically take the file extension .fla. So option A is correct. Now student, there are the sums. One word answer. What are the default stage dimension display on the animate window? That is the 550 to 400 pixel. That is the right answer. The second one, name the parts of tools. There are the tools contain the different four options, that are the tool section. The second one is the view section, color section, and the option section. These all sections are useful while we performing the animation work onto the stage. So these all options are important for that purpose. The next one is mention the 2 method by creating the animation in Animate. The first one is the frame by frame method and second trend animation method. By using both kind of method, we can create an animation on Animate. The next one, name the types of gradient in Animate. There are two kinds of gradient, student. One is the linear gradient, another one is the radial gradient that used to combine the more than one color together. The next one is the fifth. Name the twin animation that is used to change the color of an object. That is twin animation. By using this technique or a method, we can change the content, whatever the contents, we can change the one character to another character with the multiple color. We can apply it. So twin animation is the right answer. The last one is the name the shortcut key to insert a blank frame. F7. The function key F7 is used to insert a blank keyframe onto the animation. So student, this chapter is finished. During the revision process, you can watch my video again and again. And this chapter is also important for the upcoming examination. So again, learn it, watch it. Thank you and have a good day.